Here live on Sanibel Island at the beachfront in front of Ocean's Reach and Casa Ybel. The beach is absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful day. The beaches are wide. Beautiful. Check on the progress of Ocean's Reach and Casa Ybel. This is the walk up the beach that you probably remember if you're Casa Ybel and Ocean's Reach lovers. I know we've stayed both of those places and love them. Ocean's Reach is opening November 30th and they're taking reservations now. So they're making good progress. Their pool and office did get flooded by Tropical Storm Debby, but they're pumping out the pool today and cleaning it up and cleaning up the office, but none of the rooms got flooded with Debby, which is great. So they are making great progress and they'll be putting new landscaping in and making it all beautiful like you remember it. Coming up on Casa Ybel, which is a favorite of many. I know, one of our favorites. We love going to the Coconut Tiki Bar after long hot walks on the beach. Stop in there, get cooled off. Of course, it's gone after Hurricane Ian. Condos of Casa Ybel. That tree's still standing. It's pretty amazing. Look how pretty that water is. Vegetation still here on the beach. You see grapes, sea oats. It's good. Prevent that beach erosion. Here's a former path. Let's see, this must be the main, no, not the main path, this is another path. The view of the beach, in front of Casa Ybel. Absolutely gorgeous. months. Tiki bar. The landscape still looks pretty nice. The naturalized sea grapes and sea oaks. Wow. This is very sad, very sad. But I'm glad they're coming back. I'm glad they're making progress. And that they will return stronger than ever. Sanibel strong.